Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did a full face using samples I got from Sephora. I also used gifts I got for my birthday from my sister-in-law, and a purchase I had made. So a few purchases I had made myself. The rose water, the cucumber water, and cucumber 3-in-1 primer water from Wet n Wild. I brought all those on my own. The Kylie lip gloss, I bought that on my own. Yeah, other than that, the face was full of samples. I kind of like how it turned out. I don't know, because when I look here, I look like I belong at the Monster Mash. But when I look like in natural lighting, it looks bomb. So I definitely have to get a few things that I sampled. If you want to see how I created today's look, like, comment, subscribe to my channel, follow me on social media, send me stuff to my postal box. And if you guys want to see how I created this look, then stay tuned. Okay, fix myself. I'm already laying down my hair. I washed my hair last night, so hopefully it cooperates, because first day hair is always the hardest for me. Eyebrows I already did off camera, eyelids already primed off camera. Right into it. I'm going to take a my E.L.F blending brush. It's just a standard blending brush. She kind of beat up. She's been with me from the beginning. And I'm gonna take, my Juvia's Place palette, and I'm gonna use this brown. That's gonna be our transition shade, so I'm gonna pack it like right about here. So this Morphe M507 brush, and we're gonna pick up brunette. And kind of just pack that on the outer V. Okay, I'm gonna take this highlighter concealer from Crayon case. This it looks like this, and it's in the number 9. Take just a little bit of it on the back of my hand. I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyes. So then I'm gonna take this Morphe M421 brush, and it's just a brush shaped like this. And I'm going to take Universal from the 3502 palette, Second Nature. Close up my bosom. We're gonna take that the M507 brush, and without putting more product on, just diffuse this edge right here. I was deciding if I want to do liner today or not. I think I'm gonna do liner, but not a wing. So I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. Oh, and do what we did, I think, the last video, but we're gonna do the thing where you make a thick line, right? You draw it going straight across like that. So it's thin at the beginning, So you want to start at like the middle. Should I do a video on this? I should do a video on how I do this. And when you finish, it looks like that. And while it's still wet, we're gonna take an angled brush. This is just the angled brush I got out of a set from Forever 21. And I'm taking this black eyeshadow from the Beige Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. But you can use any black eyeshadow. I'm just picking this one today. And you just wanna pat it along the wet liner. And that'll kind of set it. And then it looks like that once you finish that part. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. So I'm gonna take this I Envy by Kiss Super Stronghold eyelash adhesive and clear. Then I'm gonna take my Ulta Beauty Ultimate Lashes mascara and put some on my top lashes to help blend the falsies with the real C's. I don't think I have no fallout. I did have fallout. So I'm gonna take a makeup remover wipe and put it remove any fallout, just clean my face off. I'm gonna take my Pond's Dry Skin Cream and put some on my face. Excuse me. I'm actually a little nervous about this, but we're gonna try a whole face full of samples and new products. I mean, other than the eyes I just did, I had to do that because I don't have any other palette, but other than that, everything else is gonna be an experiment. So, boom, cucumber 3-in-1 primer water. I'm gonna spray some of that on my face. Then I'm gonna take this Milk Makeup Hydro Primer. That's gonna be another primer we use today. So I'm gonna take this Fresh Sugar Mint Rush lip treatment. Okay, so the lips are primed. I'm gonna take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean and use that to tightline. I'll take this Milk Hydro Grip Primer. Ooh. The texture. So I think I got it all in now. The texture is like really good. This is all I have in my shade. One is Blend 430 from Beauty Blender Beauty Bounce, and one is Medium 65 Neutral from Bare Essentials. Bare Minerals, I'm sorry. So I'm gonna try. But that's gonna be real light coverage. I'm gonna try and use as much as I can. Ooh, this is a good consistency. And all we can do is hope for the best, you know? All we can do is hope for the best. It looks like it's enough though. Fingers crossed. It looks like it's gonna be enough. Like it's gonna be more than enough. These two by themselves. Does that mean I'm using too much foundation? Probably. Yeah, I mean, look how much. It looked like a bunch of peanut butter on my face.
Peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball bat, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly, peanut butter jelly with a baseball.
Another one. That was a really good consistency for foundation. This one is too. Well, hold on now. Wait just a cotton picking minute. This looks promising. Peanut butter inside. I'm a clown. I'm gonna take the Mario Badescu Rose Water. And I'm using this brush I got out of a set from Forever 21. It's just a flat top brush. It's staying, it's not dirty. And I'm just gonna mist her up real quick. This is not my color at all. Like, I look ridiculous. But I'm gonna fix that. I look like this is too bright. The first one I used was way too bright. I don't like the combination of those together at all. And that was a big, big, big mistake. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender and try and look, like look.
Jesus Christ.
I'm gonna take the Mario Badescu facial spray with cucumber. Spray my sponge. That looks a lot better. Like 10 times better than what it looked before. Let me move this out of the way so y'all can. But we can't see. To get that primer, that milk primer with the Pond's dry skin cream. Giving up something to feel. Oh.
One eternity later.
Looking yellow right here, but trust me, in like real life, it looks good. You guys are gonna see when I do the other video in the room. So then, green juice break. I'm actually looking really good. So now we're gonna do highlighting with this Born This Way, Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation in the color Warm Beige. This is gonna be my concealer. If I can get it open. I don't want to go do too much on this. That's a very interesting consistency. It's like watery, but not thick, you know? So I'm gonna respray my sponge. I actually think I'm gonna spray it with, no, I'm gonna spray it with this. You want to keep the sponge moisturized, damp, but not wet. And this is just a sponge I got from Crayon Case. This isn't new, this is something I've been had. This is my Crayon Case Chalk Dust setting powder and the letter N. Spray this again. Then I'm gonna take this Deep 85 Warm from Bare Essentials. I'm pretty sure this is too dark for me too. Take my same beauty sponge. Then I'm gonna spray This one is shaped like a shark's tooth. This is my E.L.F. Sculpting face brush. Y'all, we may have to abort mission. I'm gonna take this NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette, and I'm gonna take Tan and Hollow and use that to set my contour. I'm picking this up on a Bare Essentials Flawless Face Brush. And, excuse me, we're gonna go back to the eyes. Take a break from the face, go back to the eyes. We're gonna take our NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and put that in the waterline. Take a little setting powder and put it around my laugh lines because those are really bothering me today. Okay, so I'm gonna take this E.L.F. smudge brush and I'm gonna go back into that 3502 palette and I'm gonna pick up Heat. That's this color right here. And put that in my waterline and my lower lash line. So then I'm gonna take this Urban Decay Perversion mascara, and this was one of the samples from Sephora. I'm gonna put that on my bottom lashes. Then I'm gonna take this Bare Essentials Flawless Face Brush and I'm gonna take, oh, you know what, we could use blush from here. I'm gonna take a Blaze, that color right there. That's gonna be our blush for today. Tap off any excess. And then I'm gonna take this E.L.F. highlighting brush and we're gonna take a new member of the family. This is a Diamond Bomb from Fenty Beauty, and this was a gift for my birthday given to me by my sister-in-law. So I'm gonna tread lightly. I'm gonna take that much. I don't have no new lippy. So, oh, I do have a new lippy. I'm gonna take this Kylie High Gloss and Snatch. I don't got nothing to line with. We're gonna line with this NYX liner in Natural. I'm gonna take some cucumber water and set. Then we're gonna take this 3-in-1 primer water set. Take a beauty sponge, press the setting powder in over everything. Okay, so you guys, this is the completed look. I went ahead and added some, these titties got a mind of their own. Button, this price button right here. So I went ahead and changed my top. Put a top on, put some earrings in, and this is the completed look. I hope you guys like this look. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell to be notified. Follow me on social media, Shiley1990 Makeup on Instagram and Facebook, Shiley1990 on Twitter and Snapchat. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.